Posters. You want to tape 5 posters on a wall so that the spaces between the posters are the same. You also want the spaces at the left and right of the group of posters to be 3 times the space between any 2 adjacent posters. The wall is 15 feet across, or wide, and the posters are 1.5 or 1.5 feet wide. Draw a diagram and then write and solve an equation to find how to position the posters. This one I would find it tough to do mentally in my head. Okay? I would have to draw a picture on this. So I'm going to draw a picture to represent the situation. What do you think I'm going to start with my drawing? 15-foot wall. Okay, I'll just draw a big old rectangle to represent the 15-foot wall that we have. Okay? 15 feet. What else am I probably going to put on this picture? How many posters? 5 posters, right? Okay. Doesn't matter the height at which we put posters? No. Okay. Right, depends on how tall you are, so how you hang. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now what? What else? What else do we know that maybe we can add to our diagram? Posters are all 1.5 feet across. So 1.5 feet from here to here, 1.5 from here to here, 1.5 and so on. Okay? Okay? So that's all 1.5 feet, all those are. Let's label some other things though. We might not have numbers, but we can maybe start to use some variables a little bit. Thoughts?
X's between the posters.
X's between the posters, because what did they say was true about the distance between all the posters? It was the same amount. So we can call them all X. I can call that one X, that one X, that one X, that one X. But can I call the outsides X?
No, 3x.
3X. Why 3X, Jake?
Because 3 times wider than all the others. Yeah.
They said in the scoring problem, very good, that the distance from the edge of the wall to that first poster was 3 times the length of what it was between the 2 posters. So if we're calling this X, what's 3 times that? 3X, right? So I got 3X right here, and 3X right here. Okay? Do I have enough information now in my diagram to make an equation?
Yes.
Do I have the distance all the way across this wall? Do I have every little spot accounted for? What should all of those things add up to?
15.
15. Okay? So 3x plus 1.5 plus x. This is a little repetitive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go faster. How should I do it?
11x plus 5 times 1.5.
11x, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Yep, that's right. Off by 1. 10x. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. 7x. Or 10x plus 7.5 has to equal 15. Subtract 7.5. Divide by 10, so you just move the decimal place, right? When you divide by 10, you just move the decimal place? Yeah. So 0.75. How much?
Or 3/4.
3/4
What?
3/4 of a
Foot.
foot. Which would be how long?
8.
Oh no.
9 inches, right? 8 would be what fraction?
12. Or no.
4, 6.
2 thirds, 4, 6, 2 thirds, right? Okay? So this tells me that between each poster needs to be 0.75 feet, or 9 inches. Okay, so I'm going to write that off to the side. Keep 0.75 feet, or 9 inches, between each poster.
So 2.25 in between the last posters and the wall.
And now Derek's kind of gotten ahead of us here. He said, how far it was from the last poster to the wall. It's 3 times whatever x is. Well, since x is 0.75, you can take 3 times 0.75. So 2.25 feet, or how many inches? If that's 9, then this has to be
2 feet and 3 inches.
27 inches, right? 2 feet 3 inches, or 27 inches. 2.25 feet, or 27 inches, from the edge of wall to where? To the first poster. And that kind of answers the question that they were asking. Tell us how we need to hang these posters onto this wall, or these pictures, or whatever it is. All right? Okay, Jake.